3.5 years ago, my friend Alicia Waters, who does the Monday Night Podcast with April Vaughn, called me up and we were just catching up. We hadn't talked in about 6 months. And right at the end of the conversation, she said, Jody, have you heard about the LifeWave patches? And I said, yes, I've heard about it, but I think that's about the hokiest thing I've ever heard. Because, Dr. Stan and I have been into health and wellness for over 30 years, and we're all into lifestyle and exercise and nutrition and good supplements. And I just didn't really look into the technology. But when she told me, and I know that she's had an incurable disease since 2014, I've been on that journey with her, and that she had a 5 to 8 year life expectancy, and there was really no treatment. And in year 7, she started patching, and 43 days later, went to her doctor, and he was blown away at the improvement in her blood work and her CT. I was like, all right, maybe I need to look into this. And I had a cleaning business at the time, and had terrible carpal tunnel and just couldn't sleep at night, wore carpal tunnel braces, still couldn't sleep with the numbness and the tingling, and it was just miserable. And so that's why I decided to try the patches. And I would say within about 7 to 10 days, I noticed that the inflammation in my thumbs was so much better. And in about 3 weeks, I would say my hands were probably 75% better. And, guys, it took 7 or 8 months for it to completely go away. But that's been 2.5 years ago, and it's never come back, even though I continued with my cleaning and business until last August. The thing that I thought caused it, I kept doing it, but my hands got better. And that was just an epiphany. And then I heard a heart testimony and about 3 or 4 months in, and I thought, oh, I have irregular heartbeat. I wonder how that is. And I hadn't even thought about it, but I went to listen to my heart, and my heart was beating normally for the first time in 12 years. And so that was another thing that just really blew me away. And with my cleaning business, I had chronic neck and back pain. And that went away after about, I don't even know when. When the pain goes away, sometimes you don't pay it any attention, but, probably after 2 to 3 months, that was gone and has never come back. So, you know, those are just the things that I experienced.